Welcome to the world of blockchain. Today, we're diving into the excitement realm of cryptofights. This platform is not just a game changer, it's a life changer, opening doors to crypto success for everyone. Built on the Polygon blockchain, it's designed to be accessible and user-friendly, making the complex world of crypto trading a thing of the past. With cryptofights, you can predict Bitcoin prices and place trades with a simple click. Whether you're a beginner just dipping a toes in or an expert looking to optimize your strategies, cryptofights is the place for you. It simplifies the crypto trading process, ensuring that everyone can thrive. Here, you're not swimming with sharks. Here, you compete against the real players, not faceless institutions. In this video, I'll be your guide showing you just how easy it is to identify Bitcoin trends and make winning trades on cryptofights platform. Trust me, with cryptofights, it's as simple as taking a stroll in a cryptocurrency themed park. So let's dive in and discover the exciting world of cryptofights together. Now let's take a closer look at the main attraction, the cryptofights Bitcoin up-down Web3 pool trading game. This game is the perfect balance of ease and thrill, providing a fun and interactive way to engage in the crypto market. In this game, you're not just a bystander, you're an active participant, making predictions and trades based on your analysis of Bitcoin price trends. The core question of the game is simple. Will the price of Bitcoin go up or down in the near future? And when we say near future, we mean it. The game moves fast, with decisions being made in a matter of seconds. This rapid pace adds to the excitement and involvement of the game. It's a test of your intuition, your knowledge, and your ability to make quick and informed decisions under pressure. So if you're looking for an enjoyable and interactive way to engage in the crypto market, the Bitcoin up-down Web3 pool trading game is definitely worth trying out. But before we dive into the game, let's take a moment to understand the platform itself. It's important to get a sense of who they are and what they do. cryptofights is deeply integrated within the Polygon Matic blockchain ecosystem, which is evident in its high level of activity. The platform's CACAB wallet has processed over 680,000 transactions, and its 10A wallet has handled an impressive over 8 million transactions. This level of activity demonstrates the platform's commitment to the Polygon Matic blockchain and, in essence, its security aspect, providing users with a sense of confidence in its reliability. Notably, cryptofights is constantly among the top 3 platforms in terms of transaction volume in the Polygon network, further attesting to its popularity and robustness. This integration with the ecosystem is a positive indicator for users seeking a reliable platform for their trading activities. The fact that cryptofights is a well-established platform with a strong presence within the ecosystem adds to its overall credibility and makes it an appealing choice for those looking to engage in the trading activities. Now let's dive into one of the standout features of cryptofights. Its secure no deposit needed system. This feature is a game changer for users because of its simplicity and ease of use. Unlike other platforms that require users to deposit funds before they can start trading, cryptofights allows users to start trading immediately without the need for a deposit. This eliminates the risk of losing funds due to hacks and platform failures, providing users with a secure and worry-free trading experience. Cryptofights allow you to connect an existing wallet like MetaMask, Coinbase, or Trust Wallet. And if you don't have a wallet, you can easily create one by simply choosing your preferred social network account, such as Gmail, Apple, Facebook, or others. It's that easy. The platform makes it effortless to create a decentralized account and wallet through an automatic process that utilizes your social network accounts. This eliminates the hassle of setting up a separate wallet, making it accessible for everyone to start using the platform with ease. So all you need to do is to connect an existing wallet or create a new one that suits your preferences. Personally, I prefer using MetaMask, but the choice is yours to make. Now let's take a look at the cryptofights platforms itself. One of the first things you notice is the live feed of Bitcoin's price, which is a pretty cool feature. But it's not just any price feed. It's sourced from DXFeed, a reputable service that provides real-time data solutions for a wide range of financial institutions. This is significant because it means that the prices and price movements you see on the CryptoFights platform are trustworthy and legitimate. The data is coming from a credible source, which is crucial because not all platforms are transparent about their data sources. With CryptoFights, you can have confidence that the information you're seeing is reliable and accurate. Now let's break it down to the two key components of CryptoFights, the up pool treasury and the down pool treasury. These components are the foundation of the platform, driving your trades and predictions. Here's how it all works. You're making predictions or trade based on your expectations of Bitcoin's price movements in the next 30 seconds. If you anticipate that the price will drop, you can enter the down pool by placing a bet. Simply decide how much you're willing to risk. It's important to note that these pools are not related to actual Bitcoin trading. Instead, you're more like prediction markets, allowing you to speculate on the price movements of Bitcoins without directly buying or selling the cryptocurrency itself. This adds an extra layer of excitement and strategy to the game. Here I want to place a wager of 5 MADEX. The process is simple. I just press the button for 5 and select the down pool treasury. It's as easy as playing a game. If you're new to this and just giving it a try, the excitement is even greater because you'll never know what will happen in the next few seconds. After confirming your wager, you'll see your wallet pop up. Just confirm the amount you want to place in the down pool treasury and hit confirm. And just like that, the game begins. You're now in the down pool treasury. Top, if you end in the red, you win. I risked 5 MADEX on the down pool and ended up winning. But of course, anything could happen in the next 5 seconds. So you never know what the outcome will be. It's like a game of chance, but with a strategic twist. You're using your own analysis and understanding of the market to make informed predictions. And the best part, the winnings. After each round, you'll be thrilled to see your winnings automatically transferred to your wallet. The smart contract ensures a smooth and instant payment process directly to the same wallet you used to sign the contract. However, it's important to note that 10% earning fee is deducted from your winnings. This fee helps to support the ongoing maintenance and development of the platform, ensuring that users continue to receive an excellent service. So, while you can enjoy the thrill of trading and potential for winnings on CryptoFights, keep in mind that a portion of your earnings will go towards sustaining the platform. Overall, if you're looking for a platform that combines a smooth payment process with the excitement of trading, CryptoFights is definitely worth considering. Now let's switch gears and check out the leaderboards on CryptoFights. This is where the big players shine. You can see who's nailing it and ranking up some serious gains. Today's leaderboard is really something to behold. The top player has an impressive win ratio of 64% and have earned a cool 417 MADEX just today. That's no small feat, but the excitement doesn't stop there. Let's take a look at the weekly leaderboard. The top player in that category has a win ratio of 52% and has brought in a profit of 2,921 MADEX in just a week's time. Moving on the monthly leaderboard, the top player has a win ratio of 49% and has made a whopping 12,295 MADEX in a single month. That's some serious trading skill. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you see the all-time leaderboard. The top player there has a win ratio of 49% and has amassed a jaw-dropping 33,217 MADEX. It's truly incredible to see the level of success that's possible on CryptoFights. Now let's dive into one of the most thrilling aspects of CryptoFights, the Jackpot system. This is where the real excitement begins. Here's how it works. When you make a trade, a small commission is taken to help maintain the platform. But here's the fun part. A portion of that commission is added to the Jackpot lottery that everyone can win. And the more you trade, the more tickets you earn for the jackpot. It's like adding an extra layer of excitement to every trade you make. You get to enjoy the thrill of the trade yourself. And then you also get the added anticipation of potentially winning a juicy jackpot. It's a win-win situation. And here's the deal with the ticket distribution system. When you trade a small amount, like 5 Maddox, you still get 1 ticket. But the more you trade, the more tickets you get. Trade 10 Maddox, you get 2 tickets. Trade 25 Maddox, you get 5 tickets, and so on. And the best part is, the lottery isn't just a one-time thing. It's an ongoing trail ride with weekly and monthly draws that offers some serious rewards. We're talking jackpot level prizes. You have a chance to win big every week with weekly jackpot. But the monthly jackpot is where you can really see the potential for massive rewards. You can even check out the winning history and see how much some players have earned in a short time frame. It's like hitting the lottery, but with the excitement of CryptoFights. Now let's talk about an exciting opportunity that CryptoFight offers. It's multi-level affiliate program. This program is designed to help you make daily passive income. Has 3 tiers, and each one offers a different level of commission based on the earning fees paid by your friends. Tier 1, you earn a massive 20% commission on the earning fees paid by your friends. Tier 2, you earn 10% commission on earning fees paid by friends referred by your Tier 1 friends. Tier 3, you earn 5% commission on the earning fees paid by friends referred by your Tier 2 friends. Isn't that cool? You can basically earn money just by introducing others to CryptoFights and letting the program do the rest. And with 3 tiers, you have the potential to build a solid network and boost your earnings even more. And just like with any game that offers the potential for gains, it's important to approach CryptoFights with a level head. Moderation is key, and it's easy to get swept up in the excitement. So it's important to maintain a healthy balance and enjoy the game responsibly. As long as you can do that, CryptoFights can be a fun addition to your routine.